concerns about Greece and the wider European financial crisis spooked financial markets overnight. As viewers will be aware, over the weekend the Greek election did not throw up any clear winners, and in fact there seems to be a significant divide between the former government parties and the other parties. Now those other parties effectively hold the upper hand and have been asked to form a government. However, they have said that unless a letter is sent to the EU revoking the former austerity measures, there will be no coalition government. The Germans, in the meantime, have basically told the Greeks that unless they honour their former promises around austerity, there will not be another cent of money paid in terms of bailout. What this means is there's significant fears now around the health of the overall EU position. So looking at markets, the Dow was initially off by more than 160 points, although it clawed back to be around 80 points down for the day, around just below the 13,000 point barrier. In terms of the European markets, they were all off significantly too, down by more than 1.5% across the board. In terms of currency, again we saw a flight away from the risky commodity currencies of the Aussie and Kiwi, with the Kiwi actually falling back through the 79-cent US barrier. The beef kill in New Zealand continues to lag behind the same position last year and is in fact well below the 5-year average. Of course, at this time of year, the cow cull is well underway, with cow numbers dominating tallies in both the North and South Islands. Recently, however, prices for cows, as would be expected, took a dive, around 15 cents a kilo. Prices are in fact well below what they were year on year and are well below the 5-year average too. Beef and lamb projected that for the year, the total export kill would be around 2.3 million head. However, by the end of March, there'd been significant slippage from that number in terms of not only cows, but also in terms of bulls and steers and heifers too. The key question is, if the beef and lamb estimates are correct, then there seems to be a significant number of animals out there. The question is, when will they go to the processors? And if they do, what's going to be the impact on schedule prices? Obviously there will be some downward movement, but we'll be hoping for a pickup in demand in terms of the world beef trade, and that will perhaps support our beef farmers going forward.